What's good, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy Jay, and today we're gonna be making some onion crusted baked salmon. All right, guys, this is so moist, so flavorful, you would not even believe it. All right, it is so good. I recently celebrated my 30th birthday, and I had something similar catered out, and it was so good that I decided to make it myself. So here it is, and I can't wait for you guys to try it for yourselves. So we're not gonna waste no time. We gotta get right into it. So let's get started. So to begin, you want to go ahead and chop up your onion. I have myself 2 medium onions, but of course, if you have large onions in your pantry, go ahead and just use one of those. So once we have them all chopped up, you want to go ahead and get you a pan. Get that pan nice and hot. Drizzle a little bit of oil in there and get these onions sizzling, baby. All right. And you want to cook these until they're nice and translucent. You can fully caramelize them if you want, but I love my onion to have a little bit of crisp left in them. And we are going to drop about 1 tablespoon of some minced garlic into this. And we are also going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt and pepper. So go ahead and cook these onions down to your preference. And once that's done, we are going to move on to the second step, which is getting that salmon seasoned up oh so proper. Okay, so boom, here we go. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on our salmon, massaging it all in. And of course, we got to season this salmon oh so proper, oh so correct. Go ham, go crazy. Make sure your salmon is well coated up, all right? Just like so. And we are gonna flip it and do the same thing to the other side. Drizzle a little bit of oil, massage it in, season it up. You're gonna do this until you have both sides seasoned. So at this point, I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna transfer this salmon onto a baking pan, and we are gonna pour all of that awesome onion right over the top of this salmon. Just like so, spread it all over the top of it, and we are going to bake this again at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. If you have a thicker piece of salmon, I forgot the exact weight to this one, but if you have one that's slightly thicker, it may need to go for a little bit more time, but mine's all it needed was 20 minutes, and this is what you end up with. It's moist, it's flaky, it's flavorful, it's amazing. You know, this is another banger, guys. Your whole family is gonna love this. Look at this right here. Look at how moist and beautiful this salmon is right here. Stop playing with me. I repeat, stop playing with me, okay? Wow, wow, and wow. All right, guys, so the story behind this recipe right here, I recently just celebrated my 30th birthday, okay? Yes, I'm getting old as heck, and I had everything catered out, and I chose a onion crusted salmon, and it's actually the first time I ever tried it, and it was so good. So I had to make it on my own. So here we are. Let me go ahead and dig in for y'all and let y'all know what's going on over here, okay? Got to make sure you get all the onion in there. That's so good. That's bomb. That is so bomb. If you love onion, this is the recipe for you, okay? Everything is seasoned up correctly. You know, over here we always go crazy when it comes to the seasoning, all right? And then you add on that minced garlic and that onion on top. Just takes it to the next level, guys. I'm trying to let you know. And as you've seen, this is a really easy dish, but yet it is so delicious. There's a million side dishes that you could serve this with: rice, some veggies, some roasted potatoes, anything you want, basically. But you know, I ain't made no side dish. I'm gonna eat it just like this, and I'm telling you, it is so amazing. Know what I mean? So moist, so flaky. Ain't no overcook, ain't no dry salmon over here. This is cooked absolutely perfect, okay? And it's so good. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm about to finish the rest of this salmon right here. Got to. It is so good. So good. I cannot stop eating it. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. I appreciate all you guys watching. If you haven't already, you know, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like for your boy. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. You know, drop a happy B-Day for your boy down in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.